Creating content is hard. Scripting, filming, editing, designing thumbnails, optimizing for search, posting across 5 different platforms. It's a full-time job, and most creators are doing it on top of their actual full-time job. But what if AI could handle the repetitive parts? The editing grunt work, the captioning, the keyword research, the scheduling. Today we're looking at 5 AI tools that cover the entire content creation pipeline, from raw footage to published post, and each one saves creators hours every single week. Let's get into it.
Tool number 1, Descript, and this one is a genuine game changer, especially if you're not a professional video editor. Descript's core innovation is simple but brilliant. You edit your video by editing the transcript. That's right, you load your footage, Descript transcribes it automatically, and then you edit the text. Delete a word in the transcript and it's cut from the video. Delete a sentence and that section is gone. It's like editing a Word document, but you're actually editing a video. This is revolutionary for creators who do talking head content, podcasts, tutorials, or anything dialogue-driven. Instead of scrubbing through a timeline frame by frame, you just read your transcript and cut the filler words, the ums and ahs, the mistakes. Descript even has a feature that automatically removes filler words. One click and every and like is gone. But that's just the start. Descript includes overdub, their AI voice cloning technology. Record yourself reading a few sentences and Descript creates a clone of your voice. Then if you need to fix a word or add a sentence in post-production, you just type it and your AI voice says it. No re-recording needed. It also has studio-quality audio enhancement that removes echo, background noise, and room reverb, making a bedroom recording sound like a podcast studio. Descript handles screen recording, multi-track podcast editing, and even generates audiograms for social media. Pricing starts free with watermarked exports, and the Pro plan is about $12 a month. Compared to Adobe Premiere at $20 a month plus the learning curve, Descript is dramatically easier for content creators who aren't professional editors. If you make any kind of talking content, this tool pays for itself in the first week.
Tool number 2, OpusClip. If you create long-form content, YouTube videos, podcasts, webinars, but you know you should also be posting on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels, OpusClip is about to become your favorite tool. Here's what it does. You upload a long video, and OpusClip's AI analyzes the entire thing, identifies the most engaging moments, and automatically cuts them into short vertical clips, ready for social media. This isn't just chopping the video into random segments. The AI is trained on what makes content go viral on short-form platforms. It looks for hooks, compelling openings that grab attention in the first 3 seconds. It finds emotional peaks, surprising statements, punchlines, and moments with high engagement potential. Each clip gets a virality score, so you know which ones are most likely to perform well. And the clips aren't just trimmed. OpusClip automatically adds animated captions with keywords highlighted in different colors. That bold caption style you see on every viral TikTok. It adds emojis. It auto-reframes the video to vertical so the speaker stays centered. And it even adds B-roll and transitions. You get a finished, social-ready clip without opening an editor. For creators, this is massive. Instead of spending hours scrubbing through a 30-minute podcast to find 2 minutes of clips, then manually captioning and reformatting each one, you upload the video and get a batch of clips in minutes. One creator reported going from posting 2 shorts a week to posting 2 a day with better engagement after adding OpusClip to their workflow. The free plan gives you limited monthly minutes, and paid plans start around $19 a month for serious volume. If short-form content is part of your strategy, this tool is essential.
Tool number 3, Submagic. Now you might be thinking OpusClip already adds captions. Why do I need another caption tool? Here's why. OpusClip's captions are good for automatically generated clips. But when you're creating content from scratch and want truly custom, attention-grabbing captions, Submagic is the specialist. Here's the thing about short-form video in 2026. Captions aren't optional. 85% of people watch social media with sound off, at least initially. If your video doesn't have captions, most viewers scroll past in 2 seconds. But boring captions, plain white text at the bottom, are almost as bad. Submagic generates the kind of dynamic, animated captions that keep viewers watching. Submagic automatically transcribes your video and creates captions where keywords are highlighted in different colors and sizes. Important words pop bigger. It automatically adds relevant emojis. It can zoom in on your face at key moments for emphasis. And it does all of this automatically. You upload a video, and in seconds you get a version with professional-looking captions that boost watch time. The tool supports over 50 languages, which is huge for creators with international audiences or those wanting to reach non-English markets. It also auto-generates descriptions and hashtags for your posts using AI. Pricing is competitive. There's a free tier with watermarked exports, and paid plans start around $10 a month. For the amount of watch time it recovers, viewers who would have scrolled past without captions. Submagic is one of the highest ROI tools on this list. Pair it with OpusClip for clip generation, and you've got a short-form content factory.
Tool number 4, and this is really 2 tools that do similar things, so we're counting them as one slot, TubeBuddy and vidIQ. These are YouTube SEO and analytics tools, and if you're serious about growing on YouTube, at least one of them is non-negotiable. Both tools are browser extensions that integrate directly into YouTube's interface. When you're searching for video ideas, they show you the search volume, competition level, an overall opportunity score for any keyword or phrase. This means instead of guessing what people are searching for, you can see the data. You find the sweet spot, topics with high search volume but low competition, and you create videos targeting those gaps. The AI features have gotten genuinely impressive. Both tools now offer AI-powered title generators. You describe your video, and they suggest optimized titles based on what's performing well in your niche. They score your thumbnail before you publish, predicting how likely it is to get clicks. They suggest tags, they analyze your competitors' videos to show you what's working for them, and they track your rankings for target keywords over time. TubeBuddy also offers a /B testing for thumbnails and titles. It automatically splits tests different options with real viewers and tells you which performs better. That alone is worth the price, because thumbnail click-through rate is one of the biggest factors in YouTube's success. vidIQ has a daily ideas feature that surfaces trending topics in your niche before they peak. Both have generous free tiers that cover the basics, keyword research, tag suggestions, basic analytics. Paid plans unlock the advanced AI features, competitor tracking, and a /B testing, typically starting around $10 to $30 a month. Our recommendation: install both free versions, use them together, and upgrade the one that fits your workflow better.
Tool number 5, Metricool. The final piece of the content creation pipeline, getting your content posted across every platform consistently. If you're a multi-platform creator, and you should be, you know the pain. You finish a video, then you have to manually post it to YouTube, create a shorter version for TikTok, resize for Instagram, write a thread for X, schedule a LinkedIn post. It never ends. Metricool solves this. Metricool is a social media management tool that lets you schedule and publish content across every major platform from a single dashboard. YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, X, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Google Business Profile, all of them in one place. You create your content, set up your posts for each platform with the appropriate format and caption, and Metricool publishes them on schedule. The AI features make it smarter than a basic scheduler. It analyzes your audience's behavior and suggests the best times to post for maximum engagement on each platform. Because the optimal posting time on LinkedIn is different from TikTok. It generates caption variations optimized for each platform style. And it provides a unified analytics dashboard that shows how your content is performing everywhere, so you can see which platforms are worth your time and which aren't. Metricool also includes competitor analysis. You can track other creators in your niche and see their posting frequency, engagement rates, and growth trends. This is invaluable for benchmarking your own performance and spotting opportunities. The calendar view lets you plan a month of content at a glance, and you can drag and drop to rearrange. Pricing is one of Metricool's strongest selling points. The free plan lets you manage one brand across multiple platforms with a generous post limit. Paid plans start around $18 a month for additional brands and features. Compared to tools like Hootsuite or Buffer, which can run $50 to $100 a month, Metricool offers incredible value. If you're spending more than an hour a week manually posting to multiple platforms, this tool will pay for itself in time saved almost immediately.
Here's your quick recap. Descript lets you edit video by editing text. It turns video editing into word processing with AI voice cloning and filler word removal built in. OpusClip takes your long videos and automatically generates viral short-form clips with captions, emojis, and virality scores. Submagic creates the dynamic, attention-grabbing captions that keep viewers watching on muted phones, critical when 85% of social viewing starts without sound. TubeBuddy and vidIQ are your YouTube SEO command centers, keyword research, title generation, thumbnail/B testing, and competitor analysis, both with solid free tiers. And Metricool ties it all together by letting you schedule and publish across every platform from a single dashboard with AI-optimized timing. Together, these 5 tools cover the entire content pipeline: creation, editing, optimization, and distribution. You don't need all 5 on day one. Start with the one that solves your biggest bottleneck.
Which of these tools are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments, and if you've used any of them already, share your experience to help other creators. If you found this video useful, subscribe for weekly AI tool reviews and content creation tips. We test and compare the latest tools so you don't have to. Hit the bell so you don't miss next week's video. Thanks for watching and keep creating.